wote o mem ha na se wo ye MPP ni a wo ho ese se wotimi hwe nyame no ka cha wo se me ya aboa nyame dan me nipa.
He is smart. He is unique.
So we MPP ni na wo Ghana ha pa sabre ye wo mi a ese wotimi kwa sore na do se fumo Nyankopon ye me ankasa me ya aboa dan me nipa.
He is smart. He is unique.
Because wonim nyansa.
Best. Captain Smart is the
Wonim nyansa. Yes, woman kasa.
Ebushan for my mama akwaba eba Ghana Sam TV GH. So let's like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambe Kebi. Ebushan for Captain Smart is on share. Captain Smart who tempting nipa kra dodo. And Captain who tempting nipa kra dodo. Who ye Panin? Ye papa Panin who tempting nipa dodo. Ube yes na nipa koka sema anka ensese and what's a nipa anka. Oh tempty. Because Captain, you cannot keep attacking MPP and expect yena MPP for to be quiet. You cannot keep attacking us and expect us to be quiet. And it's becoming one too many. You are taking us for granted, and we are getting fed up with it, Captain. Same people wa. Won't me sorry kasa chere sa. Adenya say we MPP ni a catching akopon say wan bo ye na we are boa. Hey, Captain. Yen MPP for ya boa. Aboa na omudi free maternal health care eba aye o. Mboa no. Omuna omudi metro mass transit eba aye o. Mwano. Omuna omudi health insurance eba aye. Captain, a party that empower educated over 3.5 million Ghanaians through senior high school for free. No? And moi, Captain, a bra MPP, all power. No, that is when we did a mumu interoperability. Before MPP ever power. No, now what MTN? Want me fans can call a telesales. Untimi fast can free mumu kremwa and they call bank account so. Ye wenyi na. Nkrofo mu construct over 10,000 kilometers of road. Omuna mu emwano. And Captain. And you see, media general. TV3 ni onuya FM eka uno. You hear some of these things and you are okay with it. I say, there is no ethics. There are no red lines set our media general honor. So you can have a host that is paid by media general come out and abuse a set of people this way. Until now, no, that media house has not seen it fit to come out, distance themselves from whatever the person said, and apologize unreservedly. Munyebi. But when anybody replies, they say, make us say, yen boom penny for. And I'm so what make us say, yen people for yen more. Let me tell me a boy. Yeah, Captain, let me tell you, no. I'm sure you are older than me. But I'm sure academically, Captain, mean we jinawa. Wait me akasa. Debbie, I'm not blowing my own trumpet. But we know what we know. Don't me sorry kasa your name, sir. Only professors are dodoa. Professors, PhD holders, first degree holders, astute businessmen, experienced businessmen, engineers, surgeons. Even the common floor member of MPP Krano, they don't settle for less. They find MPP grassroots, never compare NDC grassroots. Wow, beshe. Not me kotina media general say moi. We last one in ye. Who do you bema stand back up you? And you will hear responses. Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia. Se wope photographers omunim juma. Ebano editing, twa pictures, cameras, akɛseɛ, lenses akɛseɛ, drones, ni bibia ope bia no. A touch of the way photography for. Naba air screen so esa wo contact say yeah, a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say assassin bimpo na wo na opese wo hia drone video, ni drone pictures of assassina. But modern say contact the touch of the way photography. Bebia upe se omo ye juma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no. Omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable. So upe se ye birthday photo shoot. What more manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo. And they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I can say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe.
So what's your member? Let's say we MPP ni a as so what we share nyame no catch on say me aboa nyame dan me nipa.
He is smart. He is unique. He
So we MPP ni na wo Ghana ha pa sabre ye wo mi a as so what we kwa sorry na do say fumo nyankopon ye me ankasa me aboa dan me nipa.
He is smart. He is unique.
Because wouldn't nyansa.
Best. Captain Smart is the
Wouldn't nyansa. Yes, say woman kasa. Kasa be na mo be catch Ghana for.
According to Captain Smart, or say we MPP ni, we Ghana ni, now we MPP ni we aboa. According to Captain Smart. According to Captain Smart, or say we Ghana ni, as say utimi kwa sorry. Now we ko catch the urade say me MPP ni me aboa. According to Captain Smart. Okay. Captain Smart etimi atena ni program wase aka say we MPP ni a we aboa. Intina that means aye president kofo ya aboa. That means so tumfo e support MPP a or ya aboa. That means a titirufo a wo Ghana ha wo support MPP no. Wo ye moa ye da Nyankopon wase. It's according to Captain Smart no. NDC for na ya nyansafo. Yemu NDC for na ya nyansafo. Okay, no problem. Sir Captain Smart timi ni TV station, o timi ni program ase. Eka se wo ye MPP ni a wo ya aboa de a tie. Tie na tie ni ye. Yenhwe MPP for emmoa no. Yenhwe ade a wabeye e de ama o man Ghana. MPP for emmoa no e di free SHS e baaye. Inti aye Captain Smart a o se MPP for ye mmoa yi. Sisi aneba no wawie JHS obekọ SS. Inti automatically no se Captain Smart ne baba no okọ SS free ya. That means Captain Smart no oye den. Alright, I go for meka sama na wo nfi. Me NDC ni so meka sama be wo nfi. Captain Smart say we ye Ghana ni na wo support MPP a we ya aboa. Na sa MPP for emmoa no. Wo mo akroya na di free SHS aba. Na Captain Smart so ne ba awie JHS obekọ SS. It is a Captain Smart. Ne ba ekọ SS free ya. Ono Captain Smart no oye den. Wodi ono to nchen ya. MPP for mo no. Womo na womo di mobile banking baaye. MPP for mo na di mobile banking baaye. Inti Captain Smart no onya aboa no oye NDC ni no. Sa mobile money banking no. So you su mobile money that means Captain Smart ye den. But me who has no comment section. What you no to nchen ya? MPP form one no. Woman di prepaid meters buy. It is a Captain Smart. Or you su old meter. No, or you su prepaid dia. That means no Captain Smart no. Oye den. Because me jina hey. Sa aboa didi na me minim so ya aboa. Na me kokodi aduane ni bi di a me yedai. Me tick up this smart me tina kuma. Okay. Captain Smart ne maame yoba. It is ne maame. Ah, owo no Captain Smart no. So to prepaid da ho. So to prepaid da ho. Na prepaid no da ho no so meter no so. Prepaid meter no. MPP form one and the buy. It is a maame the prepaid or you so prepaid meter. That means Captain Smart ne maame ye dey. We are journalists. Now we person man fan into my perfura. Yem condemn party bi. Enya den empredi party bi. Enu ni ntimi nchekyere o man Ghana mani nye yie. Afie de mumma ye hwe sa video we.
The news center. Ghana card readable at 44,000 airports as travel documents to facilitate return to Ghana. Hey, is that man yourself? So I say we are Dr. Baumeka NDC for this Ghana card. And then the whole Ghana card. Oh, principle.
According to news, Ayɛ Ghana card na MPP for more at the buy, according to news. I see the whole world 44,000 airports. Ajia to me say wo that country ho na wo pese wo ba Ghana. Na wo nkita passport. Na wo kita wo Ghana card keke. Wo kire wo Ghana card na sa Ghana card no. Ebetimi de wa ba Ghana. Ghana card no. MPP form one and the buy. Inti Captain Smart so or you so Ghana card or ye day.
1 hour ago by Joy News. Say, I mean, we can say, steady. A worst performing currency in this year, 2026. After selling over 15 tons of gold. Amudi sticker gold, echo ton fufu. Aside that, Thomas Boka 44. John Paton meeting why. Aside that, no Thomas Boka 44
with dollar
billion.
intensity.
Just for the dollar, no, and now Ekasano, SEFA is doing better than our currency. Ufa West Africa, now even Naira, Nigeria for Naira for Fufuwe is doing better than CD in 2026 as we are talking. Joy News.
John Mama, Jogonja John Bull. Ay,
Where the people need be near Muamu Joy News. Muamu Joy News will be a Samson Ladi
WhatsApp group.
Government WhatsApp group for no. Omuna am reporting. You see, sometimes and you say it's not baby we see evil for Ghana. Me, if Ghana collapses, I will suffer.
Yes.
If Ghana collapses, who rita baby who investment in Ghana, who family back home. Nobody is praying for Ghana to collapse. But sema ye can't say. I don't want to mean embe jawe nu so betimi aye. Right? I don't want to mean na obi ya dia. I agree say admit say nipa na ya dia. But you NDC for you did everything as if there say Akufo-Addo did not know whatever he was doing. You people had the magic wand that mobile no. Sa QNet nyama no. When you say ne, you have not even gotten out of IMF fully yet too. And with all even IMF interventions in now, na CD no West performing currency. What it means, ni say, we are coming to witness Usain Bolt. Babesi, because people are going to start keeping dollars.
they will no longer change it to cedis. Now, it means the cedi is just going to lose value quicker than it even gained value last year. And you see, say from last year, almost at this idea, no, artificial exchange rate around May last year. That's when they started it. We are in May. Now it's backfiring. Just 1 year. And I come 2 years, 6 months. So how are they going to cope? Already we have sold over 15 tons of the gold already. Are you going to sell all our gold reserves? And also the Ghana for Yempini. Yempini so amount of gold reserve ringing now. Right? And so they are at the place where they say who the nurse is forker, who the teacher forker, who the Obiaka was Coco forker, and your currency is the worst performing currency. How are you going to generate the money? Baby, I do there. You say Ubemo, Mira Yeswe, I just say wow. I just say Ubemo. That is where we have reached.
Yay!
That is where we have reached now. You see, him say at all force no. Him say there was nothing special he was bringing on board. When you look at the first approach, Biano, what you say, obey try your luck. That is when I realized, we have sold our color TV for black and white. Now black and white, you say, go do fear, do so, and you saw TV in this one, so that is where we have reached as Ghana. That this is where we are as on mind right now, and people are laughing at us. Go on Twitter and go and see. Nigerians are laughing at us. You have sold your gold. You are claiming that you push it in your currency. You are not paying people, and your currency is still not doing well. They said so big push our major contractors, no. That big push our major contractors just about just 1 month, 2 weeks ago, no. And no quantity currency, no. Then if you start paying other people, cocoa for you, what is going to happen? And by September, another cocoa season. Rita, you gave me time, but permit me to just use 2 minutes more.
Not a problem. Hey, timeless. Why is this guy lying? Come up and come and prove him wrong.
You can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I was speaking with a friend. Our Caribbean nation, because say Bermuda and Antigua. Honoma, or a med lab scientist. And in that country, Bermuda and Antigua, they pay them med lab scientist or say 13,000 Ghana cedis a month. Nurses are more money. Caribbeans, so yes, American pool, Caribbeans. Nurses are more 18,000 Ghana cedis. Would convert this Ghana 18,000 Ghana cedis per month. And it's when you come to Ghana here, a nursing officer, ni sika the coffee 4,000 at the end of the month. Nursing officer no. Obia onya degree or nursing, and I said why a Jumanu about 7 years or so. That's how they pay you. And no poor government are buying Timintia. And no poor are buying Timintia. So you wonder, say, what kind of management, what kind of plan did NDC have? They were fighting so hard to come back to power. What was their plan?
And sɛnsɛ deli na no mama ama fake drag no and one opera
because I'm wondering, say, all the fight, because the way they were fighting as if they had some plan B, they were trying to implement it. And just to come now, we realize they didn't have any plan. Look at where we are. Are we moving forward or we are moving backward as a country?
God,
Meanwhile, 2019, the whole wide world, CD was the best performing currency. The whole world. 2019, under Akufo-Addo. A record backward, till today, we can be proud of. The whole world. Even against the dollar, against the Japanese yen, against the Chinese yuan.
It's because of take people tina and yes NPP for na ya the papa bia and now we nyansa bia e take dien okota NDC
good to remember
now NDC.
It's good to remember and look at what they are doing. I mean about your Rita, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Unia me confirm the all kind of my my enjoy that slums continues as CD from the west in south
screen so now my magnify na man for ahwe
I met me
screenshot na me fair
slums continue as CD is the worst performing currency in Sub-Saharan African
Say
2026.
Nigerian naira, Ghana for Nigerian naira cry.
Only I know my enjoy that ho. Ayeka.
Nigerian naira cry today. Ewa fast watching Ghana city. Ghana for Aba Mwakoto. Messiah. Abaya Emmanuel Bua call parliament call for the Egyptians you have seen today, you shall see them no more. Jerusalem for Naba. Aye. As I see radio have also posted it. Abomoba. Announce for. Say grandpa the no hope. The hope is hopeless. Hey, God.
Islam continues as City becomes worst performing currency in Sub-Saharan Africa in 2026.
Mahama, you just took over this country in 2025 January. And you say you are coming to prove Baumia wrong because you're a stupid economist.
Yeah.
Wait. What time billions upon billions at the $2. Dollar no current me engine crossy 1 year. Aye, Mahama. The dollar has not even been able to stand well for 1 year. Now at least Udimit akutua ni paka akofa nipa bi kura ejuma atua koko fo kakra magana fo aka se o ba ya dollar na ba ya no utimi tua ni paka o we nyina da so ya areas koko fo no hopeless is hope. Your hope is now hopeless. Mama is the hope. He gives you hope.
I'm sick of the unyanya yo.
Where are they? Where abedri him fa no obenya say gold reserve na anka omo amfa ahoya any I want to prove Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia wrong. I want to prove that Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia is ampa Wale Adam Smith a gold reserve our build 30 tons ka we kura jina na nka we besia at least mo de be ya de papa. But omobaya abaya Ghana for kwato abadi amao. Obaya I say Mahama just wanted to rule Ghana and prove Bawumia wrong. It's not even to the Ghanaian people. Omo target say Bawumia ebetina oman yiso eka economy ho ase me ena otimi ba ya wetimi bubu ya eniama society yenso no. Bawumia said, oh, I'm coming to arrest the city, but the city went all the way to 17 Ghana cities into ye ba. Ye na city no, ajina 10 Ghana. Na yetimi dia ye Bawumia. Ene ye ne Ghana for. Dollar is 10 city.
And I see the 11 city 60 dollar 11 60 pesos. Uko black market 12 cities 20 pesos. Oh, black market.
Monne. De bia ye ba ha ye bisa mo Ghana for say dollar is 10 city ya omotamu sika de kotoye. Emfaso be na muanya. Monka no krene NDC, Siko fans, Betters Association nam comment section. Dollar is 10 cedi, ya mfa di pay juma. Dollar is 10 cedi, ya antia waka. Dollar is 10 cedi, ya de wo salaries arrears. Dollar is 10 cedi koko fo esu. Dollar is 10 cedi ejwa di fokra kwat na market kura obi ambeto.
Rita, dollar is 10 cedis no. Obi a wako school. Aye ni service ye. Si okoye volunteer or nurse no. Okoye volunteer. Amita Kando no as minister or volunteer. Mita Kando, we've seen people as ministers they've not taken salary before. Oh, mind we or no Mita Kando no volunteer. Obia ni busu afford na for school. Our breadwinner no. After everything, okoye volunteer Mita Kando. And you are after upon all that. This is what they are getting.
Volunteer. NPP for Betji Abanyi 2017. The whole Ghana year call a whole 1 year tax free. Yamfa tax beyond Tomoso. Dollar is tensely ya slap him with electricity tariffs near Waho. From the day John Dramani Mahama became president. Dollar is density ya swa levy the beshe mokon. Dollar is density ya slap him with over